Have a great idea and looking to squeeze a little gold out of the orange state? What better place to start a business than the sunny state of Florida? Now that you're on your way to making your business official, there are a few specific things you should know about forming an LLC in Florida. First, you'll want to choose a name for your business. This may seem obvious, but there's more to it than just that. We recommend you search your Secretary of State's website to ensure your business name isn't already in use by an existing business within the state. Second, you'll choose a registered agent, otherwise known as an RA. Your RA is a person or entity that receives official legal documents and notices on behalf of your business. When it comes time to choose an RA, be sure to choose one who is available during regular business hours and has an address in the state of Florida. Third, you'll need to file some information about your LLC with the Florida Division of Corporations. This information is commonly referred to as your Articles of Organization. This includes basic business information like your LLC's name and address, and can be filed online or by mail. When your filing is approved, your LLC is registered as an official business entity. The fourth step is to draft an operating agreement, which is a document that outlines the way you'll run your LLC. Unlike some states, Florida does not require you to prepare or file an operating agreement. With that said, these agreements can be helpful if disputes or litigations arise. Next, you'll need to get your employer identification number, or EIN for short. Your EIN is sort of like a social security number for your business and is necessary for banking, taxes, and even hiring employees. Finally, you should get any specific permits or licenses, like a zoning permit or liquor license, that your business may need. You should also note that all Florida LLCs must file an annual report. You won't need to worry about any of that right away, though. The first report isn't due until the year after your LLC is formed. Of course, there can be more to forming an LLC than just these few steps. Once you're ready, we'll be there to help you get started at LegalZoom.com.